How to remove black mold in toilet. Watery eyes, a runny nose, sneezing, itching, coughing, wheezing, difficulty breathing, headaches, and tiredness are all symptoms of mold sensitivity. Toilets and bathrooms attract mold due to the high moisture content in these areas. A moldy toilet is dangerous for you and your loved ones. It's essential to eliminate the problem before it gets out of hand. What causes toilet mold? 1. The environment supports the growth of mold fungi and mildew. 2. A toilet that's rarely used in a guest room can harbor more mold than one that gets flushed and cleaned frequently. 3. Mold may grow in your toilet if it's left unflushed for several days. How to remove black mold from toilet seat, tank, and bowl. Using white vinegar and baking soda. When dealing with vinegar, wear gloves because it could irritate your skin. If you have mold allergies, it's also advisable to put on a mask to not inhale the mold spores. Step 1. Mix 1 cup of vinegar with an equal measure of baking soda. Using a funnel, pour the solution into a spray bottle. Step 2. Spray the baking soda and vinegar solution on the mold spores. You also want to make sure you spray about 2 inches above the spores to prevent mold spread. Step 3. Allow the mixture to sit on the toilet bowl, rim, seat, or lid for about an hour or more. This process allows the vinegar to kill all the mold. Step 4. Using a toilet brush or a sponge, scrub the surface until all the stains are gone. Step 5. Flush the toilet and wipe the seat and lid using a solution of vinegar and water in a 1:1 ratio. Step 6. Place some vinegar and baking soda solution inside the toilet tank to run through several flushes. This process helps to ensure that you kill any mold spores left behind. It also helps tackle any mold growing in the toilet tank. Using bleach solution. Bleach can tackle any type of mold fungi. When using bleach, it's also essential to open the windows and doors for proper ventilation. Step 1. Wear a pair of gloves and a mask before you start preparing bleach. Mix a cup of bleach with a gallon of warm water in equal parts and pour in a spray bottle. Step 2. Pour the solution around the toilet seat, inside the toilet bowl, and around the rims of the bowl. If the problem has persisted in the tank, ensure to pour some of the solution inside. Next, cover the lid of the toilet. Step 3. Allow the toilet to soak in the solution for about 30 to 60 minutes before you start scrubbing. Step 4. Scrub the toilet using a brush or a scouring pad, making sure to dislodge any mold growths. Ensure the sponge gets inside the rims of the toilet bowl, because it's possible to leave some mold in these areas. If the tank has a problem, scrub it as well, using a scouring pad instead of a brush. Step 5. Flush down the toilet and wipe down the area using the solution. Allow the bathroom to dry before you can use it again. Step 6. Spray a little amount of bleach solution inside the toilet tank so that it lingers through the next few flushes. Using borax. Its high pH kills mold. Step 1. Mix 1 gallon of water with a cup of borax. Step 2. Pour the mixture around your toilet bowl, rims, seat, lid, and inside the tank. Step 3. Allow the solution to sit for about 30 minutes. Step 4. Scrub the areas using a toilet brush or a sponge, but be careful not to damage the components of the toilet tank. Then, flush the toilet and observe if all the stains are gone. Step 5. Wipe down your toilet and allow it to dry before using it again. Using hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a safer and cheaper cleaning solution compared to other commercial cleaners. Step 1. Add hydrogen peroxide and water in the ratio of 3:1 into a spray bottle. If you have an excessive amount of mold, you can add hydrogen peroxide without diluting it with water. Step 2. Spray the solution around the affected areas and allow it to soak in for about 30 minutes. Step 3. Scrub the toilet bowl, seat, rims, and tank using a toilet brush or sponge. Step 4. Flush down the toilet twice to ensure all the hydrogen peroxide and mold stains are gone. How to prevent a toilet from getting black molds. Flush the toilet after every use. Flush an unused toilet at least 3 times a week. Scrub your toilet using bleach or vinegar at least once a week. Place a cup of vinegar solution inside the toilet tank once a week. Fix any leaks in your toilet or bathroom. Be sure you have heat and light periodically in any area of your home that's susceptible to mold growth. If you follow this guide and the mold stains recur, it's time to call in Proficient Plumbing and Heating to check for any leaks causing the issue. Give us a call at 848-448-3539 or fill out the contact form on our website proficientplumbingheating.com.